Each NSSA safe room producer must have a quality assurance plan. The safe room design must be performed by a registered engineer according to NSSA ICC 500, FEMA 320, and FEMA 361. An installation checklist is developed by the safe room manufacturer and the design engineer of record. Once these design steps are complete, both the shelter design and the installation checklist must be reviewed and affirmed by an approved third-party engineer. The third-party engineer must submit their qualifications demonstrating their knowledge of the components of safe room design to become approved by the NSSA Board of Directors prior to completing this work. This installation video was prepared to demonstrate the steps used by NSSA producer and installer members to ensure that the safe rooms are properly installed. Installing a flat safe below the slab 3x6 safe room. Template is used to mark the floor in the garage. Concrete is then cut, sections are removed. A small excavator is used to remove the soil for the location of the shelter. The size of the excavation is confirmed that the shelter will have the proper void to provide anchorage. Shelter is lowered into place. Confirm that the shelter is centered in the excavation. The shelter is being shimmed to the proper height. Concrete is delivered to be placed around the shelter to fill the void and anchor the shelter. Concrete is vibrated into place to ensure consolidation. Concrete is then finished around the perimeter of the shelter. Extra concrete is then removed. The area is finished to give a nice look. Once the shelter is in place and the concrete is set up, the door is installed. Demonstrating here the loading capability of the doors. Typical installation allows for access behind an automobile in a garage. She's demonstrating the ease of opening of the door, demonstrating the installation of the handrail to go down into the shelter. Safety chains put in place. Here he's demonstrating that the shelter door can be moved with a come along that's provided with the shelter with a significant amount of weight on the shelter door. And here we have a small child showing that he can move and open and close the door. The safe room installation is now complete. The installer ensures that the customer is familiar with all features of the safe room and is notified that they will receive an original copy of the installation certificate, installation checklist, and invoice in the mail. This documented process was developed to assure all parties involved that the safe room is properly installed every time.